let's go back to the tickle trunk. See what else we can add on for mods today. And what I wanted to do is get the D4's out of here. Sound bomb. Get the D4's out. It's one D4. And there's the other D4. So I'll grab the D4's. I'll put these on the new bar I installed last time. Alright. So I'm just going to mount them on the bars. No instructions needed. Just on in the holes. And that should be it. Let's see how that works out. Okay. I'll grab one D4. No washers. Just another lens. Okay, that's interesting. Well, I'm gonna have to go find a washer because I don't like having a nut without a washer. So I'll have to do that. And I'll just do the other side. And this one comes with a washer on top. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So this other one comes with a washer, and the other one didn't, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out. Oh yeah, there's the washer. See, what did I tell you about limited brain capacity? That's me. So let's just get this off here. Put the washer on top. There we go. And we'll tighten that down with a size that I'm not really sure of yet. Let's go find a wrench. Try 14 millimeter. Nope. Try 15 millimeter. Yep. And I'll adjust these later. Take that cap off. There we go. So the cap was 15 millimeters. And the nut itself is probably 13 millimeters. It is 13 millimeters, okay. Put the cap back on. Take the cap off this side. There we go. Tighten it up to 13 millimeter. Well, I don't know why I'm doing it that way when I have these wrenches that are ratcheted. There we go. So there we have it. Now, because these are upside down, what I think I need to do is reverse this lens so that the diffraction portion of the lens is on the bottom. That's what I saw a bike thing guy do. So I'll post a link to the bike thing in the comments section. But I think that's what I have to do. And I'm running low on battery, so I've got to shut this down. But that's what she looks like with the 2 lights installed. Not too bad. All right, bye for now.